Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen timeout on your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to screen timeout. Screen timeout. And by default it is set to 30 seconds. What it means, after 30 seconds of inactivity of our phone screen will be turned off and it will be timed out. And if you set screen lock, and it will be locked after 5 seconds, or if you have set immediately it will be locked. Okay. Now if you would like to increase this screen timeout, you can do it from the list here. Next option is 1 minute, so your phone will stay longer up to 1 minute. If you select 2 minutes, your phone will stay up to 2 minutes. Up to 10 minutes you can keep your phone wake up, that is your phone screen will not be automatically turned off or locked up to 10 minutes. Okay, so if you want to minimize screen timeout, you have to use the first option only, 15 seconds. So what will happen, I show the demo. After 15 seconds of inactivity of my phone screen will be timed out and it will be turned off. See here, it reached 15 seconds. Yes, phone screen is now timed out and it is turned off, and I have already set lock screen, so it will be locked. Okay, see here, it's locked. So in this way you can easily set change screen timeout for your phone. If you would like to keep default screen timeout, you have to keep in the second option, so 30 seconds screen timeout will be used. In this way you can easily change screen timeout for your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.